When Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw that small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They didn't understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla didn't waray-waray man. Magellan landed in Cebu City. Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the birth of choice, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan gets so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Magbandalan, we could not grant, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. And the battle began at dawn, bows and spears versus cans and canyons. When Magellan got hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried. Oh, matter, YMC, call me a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Oh, please tell my mama do not cry. Please tell my mama do not cry. Please tell my mama do not cry. Alright, history po yan. Kung di kayo nag-absent sa high school. Oh, sa inyo na po.